Okay, in order to add a YouTube video in your blog post in WordPress.com using the mobile app, please look for the video using your web browser like Chrome or Safari. Don't use the YouTube app in your phone. And once you open the Chrome or Safari, even if you go to youtube.com, it will take you to m.youtube.com where it is still a mobile version. So touch on the three dots up here, go down the menu, touch on the desktop side and quickly search for the video that you want again. Here, now touch on the share and touch on the embed. So you will have lines of codes given in here. Touch copy to copy the codes to the clipboard. Once done, open your WordPress app, touch on the post, pick the post that you want to edit, touch on it, touch on the add button bottom left there. This time, touch on the short code here, touch and paste the code which we have copied just now. Once done, touch on the update up here, touch on the update now button, wait for the post to be ready, go back to the main dashboard, touch on the site title, learn something art.blog, look at your touch on your learn WordPress blog post. The first video was the MP4 video file uploaded, and below here you will find the YouTube video embedded. Now you may go back, touch back once again. Remember that we have two sites in the WordPress app, but my advice is just do and maintain one site for now. My intention was to show the difference of this WordPress.com and the other